In this year's mountain run, Kimngeno, who is not with us here, won the World Athletics Championship. So Tinderet is seen out there in the world through Kimngeno, through the Barng'etuny mountain run.
Kenya has arranged that in the calendar that every first Sunday of every year there should be a mountain run in Tinderet. That's an achievement that has gone now globally. The whole world knows this event through that constant calendar of events. Next year, on 7th January, we expect a lot of participants, given that we have now more sponsors coming in and being the third edition. We are also going to change the starting point because we expect great numbers coming, going to start down there and go up there. The attendance is likely to be bigger and double